Key commands are super important in Illustrator. They really help increase your workflow and your efficiency. Two of the most commonly used key commands are Command C and Command V. This is for copy and paste. Try to use key commands as often as possible and every day, and you'll really increase your workflow and your efficiency. So let me show you how to use Command V. Here I have two squares. I'm going to delete one. If I select this square, I can do Command C. I've now copied this to my clipboard, and now I go Command V, and it now pastes to my artboard here. Now, if I want it paste directly to the center of my artboard, I'm going to delete both of these. Now I can delete this because remember I've already copied it. It's to my clipboard. If I copy something else, that will replace it. But right now it's on my clipboard, so I'm going to delete this. And if I paste it now, you're going to see it's going to paste in the center of my viewable window here. So that's where it pastes, in the center of my viewable window. I have all these panels open, so you need to account that this would all be white, and this is the center of the window. Now, if I want to paste to the center of my artboard, what you want to do is first press Command 0, and then Command V, and that will paste to the center of my artboard. Now I'm going to zoom out so you can see the same view that we were at, and you can see here the same view, but now I pasted this square to the center of my artboard. Another way you can use paste is into your layers. So I'm going to hide this layer, I'm going to turn on a new layer. There's nothing on this layer, and I'm going to press Command V, and I've now pasted my square to my new layer. You can also paste to a new document. So I'm going to go File, New, Open, and here's my new document with nothing in it, and I'm going to go Command V, and now I've pasted to a new document. So that's the way to use Command C for copy and Command V for paste.